Hey guys, welcome back! So today I will be teaching you another method where we can earn up to $700. Now if you think about it, making money online is actually really easy. But you have to do one thing, and that is to take action. Because if you're just gonna lay down or just gonna use your phone and scroll over social media and do that all day long, well, you're not gonna earn money. So what I want you to do, guys, is stay with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details. Also, I will be walking you through this step by step as always, so just keep on watching so that you can start making money online after watching this video. Also, another reason why I want you guys to stay with me until the end is so that you can follow all of my steps, because if you go directly to the website and just do this on your own, you might end up not making money at all. You might end up wasting your time, and we don't want that. This is just a short video, and I want you guys to focus on this and focus on everything that I say. And like most of my videos here on this channel, this method today is absolutely free 100%, and this is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. Alright, so today I will be showing you guys the method on how to make money online just by watching ads, and you can earn up to $700 for this. Now, there are 3 steps for earning $700. So first, I have to reveal the #1 website that is paying people to watch short ads. Next, I'll be unveiling how to cash out your earnings from this site. And third, I will show you how to automate your earnings. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Alright, so this is the website which will help us earn money online today. As you can see here, earn money by viewing advertisements. Watching ad will pay you for viewing advertising offers of their partners. So actually, a lot of different companies come over here to this website, and those companies will pay this website for displaying their advertisements. Then this website will pay us for viewing the advertisements. So that's how this all works. So this website will split their profit to us for viewing their commercials or the commercials of the companies. Also, if you look at here below, you can see that you can earn up to $20 if you recommend them or if you refer this website to your friends or to other people. Okay, so in order to start with this method, of course, we have to sign up. And before we sign up, I want to tell you guys the name of this website, and this is oju.com. But the address is wad.oju.com. That's wad.ojoo.com. Now, to sign up, you can either click on the sign up button here in the middle of the screen or on the top right hand corner of your screen. So just pick whatever you want and then sign up. You'll then be redirected to this page where you have to enter your username, password, confirm your password, you add your account email, and this part right here, the referral, is actually optional. You can just leave that blank and then click I'm not a robot. Then right here, I read and accept the general terms and conditions of the data protection of Oju. Just click on yes and then register. Or if you don't want to do all this, you can just register with your Google account by just clicking on this continue with Google button right here. Once you have made an account, once you've signed up and logged into your account, this is what your dashboard will look like, or this is your profile right here. Now, what I want you to do next is click on paid to click ads, because that's what we want to do. We just want to get paid by clicking short ads. So right now, if you scroll down here below, you can see that there are a lot of different ads which you can click on. And these are 5-second ads. I mean, you can stay in these videos for like at least 5 seconds. Okay, and you will earn this amount of money. As you can see, there are a lot of them. So what I want you to do is you can click on all of these. You can open these in different tabs, and then after you've clicked all of that on different tabs, all you have to do is just refresh this page right here so that new advertisements will come up here, and then money will then start rolling into your dashboard. Okay, right now, as you can see, the amount is really small, and you'll have to click a lot of these advertisements before you get an amount where you can withdraw. So right now I'm gonna teach you a better method. I mean, you can do this as well because this will still add money to your account. So right now I want you to hover your mouse over offers, and then right here I want you to click on Oju grid. Click on that. Alright, so now you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see this grid. And as you can see here below, they pay more than the last one. So what you'll need to do is just click on any of these boxes right here and you will earn money. Now, the other way in making money online with this website is that you go to Oju contest. So as you can see right here, this is the contest, which is direct referrals. All you have to do is invite new direct referrals, collect points, and get money on your current balance. So this is it. How to collect points. You have to invite a direct referral who verified his or her email address, and that is 1 point. As you can see right here, these are the other methods on how to collect points, right? So now, I want you to click on this benefits calculator right here on the left side of the screen. Click on check it out, and then we'll be redirected here on this page. Now, this is the benefits calculator. And as you can see here, if you have direct referrals, let's say if you have 40 direct referrals, then that would be about $679 per month. And $679 per month is actually quite a lot if you think about it. And all you have to do is just click on ads, or in this way, in this method, all you have to do is just refer friends to go here. Now, for example, you've invited 500 people. Okay, that is over $1,700 per month. And what if you invite 2,000 people right here? That is over $5,000, and that is a lot just by referring other people. Okay, now I am going to teach you how you can get these people, or how you can get 2,000 people to click on your link and register here. So what I want you to do is click on this affiliate program right here, and we'll be redirected to this page. As you can see, recommend advertising web space and earn up to 30%. So you earn 30% of whatever your friend or whatever the person you referred to earns. So for example, they earn $100. You will earn $30 from that. So imagine if you've invited 2,000 people, then you will keep on earning money with you doing nothing at all. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Also guys, I want you to comment down below which country you come from, so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country 100%. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, so right now that we are here on this page, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this page, and you can see right here, link to promote. Now this is your link. So whenever people click on this, they will be redirected to oju.com, and whenever they sign up, you earn money. So right now, what I want you to do is copy your referral link, and we will go to a platform where we can drive traffic to this link. I want you to go over to facebook.com. Okay, I know that all of you guys are already familiar with Facebook, so I want you to log into your account on Facebook and then search for Make Money Online on the search bar and filter that to groups. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna join these groups. You're gonna wait for them to approve you, but some of these groups will let you join automatically, so you don't have to wait anymore. The next thing you'll do, I want you to create a post on these groups where you can say along the lines of, "Hey guys, there's a new method of making money online just by watching ads. Go ahead and click this link right here." And then you're gonna insert your referral link. And you don't have to worry about your post getting taken down, because these administrators on these groups right here will not take your post down, since you're helping others to make money online. And these communities right here on these groups, they help each other in making money online. So all you have to do in order to make money online is just follow all the steps I just told you guys. And don't be afraid to start today. Instead of just scrolling through your social media right now, start to make a move. Start to take action. And that's it. If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.